Here, weekly week look. Today is Sunday 17th of April. Obviously market closed today, and as usual we'll look at the May contract 2016. This is obviously becoming the spot contract, so probably this will be the last week we do this as a report. You start with the monthly as usual, and you can see here obviously we have this undecided candle in March, and looks as though we're going to get the same in April. We failed once again to break through this 106 swing low of last year, and looks like we've gone back into a sideways action on the monthly. Let's have a look on the weekly, and you can see that we had obviously 3 rising candles, green, and obviously we've got this sort of funny sort of doji candle forming here, where we've got a low and a high, but we failed once again to break through this 106. Go into the daily. Bring that more into line here, and you can see here on the daily we obviously failed this week on this 106, came down. We've had this spike back down here, back down to 101.55, and obviously just fallen back into this sideways trading range. Go back in the 4-hourly. You can see on the 4-hourly I did draw in this channel here. The potential if we broke through this 106 level, but obviously that that didn't take place. Just delete these arrows here, and obviously we broke through it on the 11th and 12th, so during this week, and obviously we've fallen back down here. The spike down here was on low volume, I think, when I looked on the daily chart. But obviously all I can see now is that we'll continue on in this sort of sideways price action again, with a top at 106 and a low of 101. Just go down into the, have a look in the daily contract on the bar chart. You can see this spike down here now, which was on Friday, was not as obviously as low as it was on the pro charts. So the low was probably 103, and on there they've got down to 101, so it wasn't quite as low. Obviously 60-day moving average falling down. Obviously you can see that we've nearly bounced up. We failed to break through it. A spike on volume there. RSI dropped below, so obviously that's why I'm going to see more of the same next week, and I'll put